Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. How are you all doing? Hope you're all geared up for the Ganpati Papa Moria. Yes, we are in a pandemic situation, but we can still celebrate eco-friendly Ganpati, staying at home. That is exactly what I'm going to show through this video, how to make a turmeric eco-friendly Ganpati at home. Before we go in detail, welcome to everyone. Welcome to Latu's Kitchen. You're visiting here first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified on any uploads that we make. Yes, today the video is interesting, how to make eco-friendly Ganpati. What are the things we required for that? 1 cup of turmeric powder, 1 cup of to bind this I'm using all-purpose flour maida and milk and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Half a cup of milk is what I've used. Let's add the maida and the turmeric powder equal amount and 1 tablespoon of sugar. This will help to bind all and to give some stiffness to this dough. If you make it just with turmeric, it might fall apart. So for the binding, we are adding maida and sugar, 1 tablespoon powdered sugar. Use the milk and make it into a soft dough like this. Once made it like this, a nice soft dough, you may want to rest it for 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Just leave it, let it set. After 15 minutes, you can take it, just knead it for a few minutes and let's start making eco-friendly turmeric Ganpati. Now make one big sized ball, which is what stomach part which we will be using, and then the next sized 2 balls, nicely roll it, and next to that size of 3 balls and little smaller than that of size 2 balls which we will be using for legs. So the total 10 balls for the main Ganpati. For the decoration, of course, reserve some dough which we will be doing. Now take the medium sized, then next to the size of the bigger ball that we have made, make it into a flat shape like this, which will be used as a base for the Ganpati Papa to sit on it. So just gently flatten it. Now take the bigger size ball, which is what the stomach part is. Gently press on the side so that you get a nice stomach shape. If you keep it just as a ball, it won't look like a stomach. So just gently press on the sides and keep it in the middle, and use some water and gently press it on the behind the wise, so that it doesn't look different on the front side. Always you press using water on the back side rather. Now take the third size, that is the big one, we have used it for stomach, and then the second one which we have used it for the base, and the next size we have that 2 for the legs and 2 for the hand. Gently roll and press one side and just turn it around like this. Use water and stick both the legs. Now the hand, just bend it like a V shape and you can gently press on top of, on the sides of the stomach. Yes, on both sides, gently press. And one side, turn it upwards, and one side, turn it sidewise, so that you can keep a ball on top of the left hand side hand. Yes, like this. Yes, this towards facing upwards. On the right side hand, facing upwards, left side straight. It should face straight, the left side hand. Now take one more medium size ball, which is what for the head. Gently use some water and press it on the back side. Try to press even the side. It should not fall, so press little water and gently press back side as well the side. Just leave the front portion so that it will look pretty when you look from the front, the Ganpati, without any touch up. Now we will see how to make trunk. Take one ball and gently flatten it and press, cover the entire face and gently pull it like a trunk sideways and press using water on all sides so that it just stick onto it, the trunk part. Once you fix the trunk part, take two small balls, flatten it on all sides and use water and press it both sides for the ears. Typically Ganpati ka ears little bigger, so just flatten it like a small plate and using water press from behind. Now for the eyes, I'm using two peppercorns, and for the tusks I'm using toothpick, or even you can use any edible stick. So this, cut the toothpick, if you're using, cut the front and back so that you get the even shape in the middle. Use that for tusks. Press it both sides. Yeah, like this. So that you can hold it behind and press it. Just work on it little, because this is little delicate, so just gently press and fix the eyes and tusks. Now using a paper or even a toothpick, you just give some patchwork so that it look very nice. Even you can use chalk paste powder, add some drops of water and you can use it for tilak, 3 straights, and in the middle use a red kumkum, a dot. Now decoration is totally up to you. I'm using some silver sprinkles, which I use it for my baking, just to decorate the crown. Of course, take 2-3 small little balls, flatten it, just keep it on top, 2 layers, and once leave a kind of a shape dough at the top so that it looks like a nice pretty crown for the Ganpati Papa. And on top you can decorate with even beads. I use your silver sprinkles. And one more plate I'm keeping. I have some dough left, so I'm keeping a small little bowl kind of a thing using the same dough, and modak using the same dough. I just rolled it into small little balls, and I have applied a little choppers powder paste on top just as a modak. And again one more leaf kind of a shaped dough which I have created just to keep some flowers on top. So again, like I said, the decoration is totally up to you how you want to make. You just go ahead by the flow. The basic creation of Ganpati Papa, eco-friendly Ganpati Papa, is what I'm showing here. The basic ingredients are turmeric, maida, sugar and milk. Using that you can make a nice small little dough. And here I'm making Ganpati Papa's Vaganam, that is Moonjul. In Tamil they say mouse. Even for the eyes I've used some peppercorns. Without this Ganpati Papa will feel sad, so we'll keep him as well. So here you go, friends. Eco-friendly turmeric homemade Ganpati Papa is ready. Let's hope and pray this Ganpati Papa will take away all the pandemic which we are currently going through and bring in some peace and calm. Ganpati Papa Moria, Mangalmurti Moria. Thank you so much for tuning into Laddu's Kitchen, and keep supporting us. We are already thrilled and happy with the kind of support. So continue that. We will be posting interesting videos. I hope some takeaway for all of you through this channel. And if you have dough left, you can just go by the flow some shawl, anything of or even umbrella, anything you want you can just make. But here you go, our cute little eco-friendly Ganpati has arrived. Wish you all a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and do press the bell. Thank you so much.